Whales, these giants of the oceans, have always sparked humanity's curiosity and admiration. They are the largest animals to ever inhabit planet Earth, surpassing even the biggest dinosaurs in size. Imagine an animal that can weigh over 150 tons and measure more than 30 meters in length. We are talking about the majestic blue whale, the queen of the oceans, and a true miracle of nature. But what makes whales so fascinating? And why are they essential for the balance of marine ecosystems? Stay until the end of this video to uncover surprising details about these colossal creatures of the sea. Whales belong to the order Cetacea, a group of mammals fully adapted to aquatic life. Within this group, there are two main suborders, mysticetes or baleen whales, such as the humpback whale and the blue whale itself, and odontocetes or toothed whales, like the orca and the sperm whale. Each of them has unique traits, but all share characteristics that make them extraordinary. For instance, did you know that whales breathe through lungs just like us? Despite living underwater, they must regularly surface to fill their lungs with air. This also means they have incredible control over how long they stay submerged. One of the most impressive aspects of whales is how they communicate. Their vocalizations, known as songs, can travel hundreds of kilometers through the oceans. These songs serve various purposes, such as attracting mates, coordinating group movements, and perhaps even passing down stories from generation to generation. The humpback whale is famous for its complex songs that can last up to 20 minutes and are repeated with incredible precision. Researchers are still trying to uncover all the secrets behind these underwater melodies. Speaking of behaviors, whales exhibit some that are truly spectacular. Who hasn't seen an image of a whale breaching, leaping entirely out of the water? This behavior still puzzles scientists. It might help whales shed parasites, communicate with others, or simply be a display of energy and exuberance. Another fascinating behavior is called spy hopping, where the whale emerges vertically from the water, seemingly observing its surroundings. These movements show us that whales are much more than just large marine creatures. They are intelligent and curious beings. Whales also play a critical role in marine ecosystems. Did you know they help fight climate change? That's right. Whale feces are rich in nutrients that stimulate the growth of phytoplankton, microscopic organisms that absorb massive amounts of carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Additionally, when a whale dies, its body sinks to the ocean floor, taking a significant amount of carbon with it, where it remains for centuries. This process, known as blue carbon, is vital for the health of the planet. Despite their importance, whales face many challenges. Commercial whaling, heavily practiced during the 19th and 20th centuries, nearly drove some species to extinction. Although whaling is banned in many countries, some nations still carry out this practice under the guise of cultural or scientific purposes. Moreover, whales face threats such as ocean pollution, ship collisions, and entanglement in fishing gear. Not to mention climate change, which is altering marine ecosystems and directly impacting their migratory routes and food sources. Speaking of migration, whales are known for their incredible journeys. Some species, like the gray whale, travel over 16,000 kilometers each year, moving from feeding grounds in polar regions to breeding areas in tropical waters. These journeys are remarkable feats of endurance and instinct. Imagine crossing entire oceans while facing predators, temperature changes, and food scarcity. This highlights the whale's incredible adaptability and their deep connection to the planet's natural cycles. We cannot forget the cultural impact that whales have had throughout human history. They appear in myths, legends, and even works of art from various civilizations. Who hasn't heard of the story of Jonah and the whale? Although the narrative likely involves a large fish, the symbolism of the whale as a powerful and mysterious being permeates our imagination. Moreover, whales are often seen as emblems of freedom and grandeur, inspiring conservation movements worldwide. So what can we do to protect whales? Small actions can make a big difference. Supporting organizations dedicated to marine conservation, reducing plastic use, and pressuring governments to create marine protected areas are some of the steps we can take. Remember, every whale saved represents not just a single life, but an important step towards healthier oceans and a healthier planet. Whales also carry fascinating stories of adaptation and survival. Did you know that some species have an incredible communication ability that can be heard hundreds of kilometers away? Their songs are not only beautiful but also essential for socializing, mating, and navigating. It's as if the oceans are filled with an intricate musical code, connecting whales from different parts of the world. Additionally, studies show that whales play a crucial role in regulating the planet's climate. They promote the growth of phytoplankton, microscopic organisms that absorb tons of carbon dioxide and produce much of the oxygen we breathe. By diving into the depths and returning to the surface, whales help mix essential nutrients, creating ideal conditions for phytoplankton to thrive. However, these ocean giants face immense challenges. Commercial whaling, even though banned in many countries, still occurs illegally, endangering entire populations. Merchant ships, with their busy routes, frequently collide with whales, causing severe injuries or even death. And of course, there's the growing problem of noise pollution, which directly interferes with their communication and well-being. But we must not lose hope. Innovative projects, such as installing warning systems for ships and using technology to monitor whale populations, are helping to reverse some of the damage. Public awareness is also one of the most powerful tools. Every small individual action, such as reducing our environmental impact and supporting preservation initiatives, contributes to a safer future for these magnificent beings. How about becoming part of this change? Share the knowledge about whales and inspire others to join the cause. After all, protecting whales is not just an act of kindness. It's a commitment to preserving our planet and future generations. We close with a reflection. Whales are much more than majestic creatures. They are guardians of a fragile and essential ecosystem. Protecting whales is protecting ourselves. Thank you for watching until the end. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and share. See you next time.